Good morning. Please tell me honestly why you feel nervous when you try to speak English in front of others.
Good morning, sir. I feel nervous because I think I will make mistakes and people will laugh at me.
You should start by speaking simple thought in longer sentences without fear or pressure.
Sir, when I try to speak long sentences, my mind suddenly becomes.
It's because you think too much about grammar instead of thinking about your idea.
Sir, I want to speak English slowly and clearly, but I do not know how to start.
You should start by speaking simple thought in longer sentences without fear or pressure.
Sir, can I improve my English if I speak like this every day for some minutes?
Yes, if you practice daily with patience and confidence, your English will surely improve.
Thank you, sir. Now I feel confident and I will practice speaking English every day.
Very good. Remember that confidence and regular practice are more important than perfect grammar.
अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। अपनी राय कमेंट करें।